feminine energy is always the chasing energy. It doesn't matter how you identify in the physical form. The feminine energy will chase. The feminine energy will seek out information. You could identify and be in male physical being, but still be in this connection, the feminine chasing energy. The feminine chasing energy works in the 3 higher chakras. Your work is in the spiritual realms. Your work is learning how to alchemize the energy and the frequency. The divine masculine may, in the physical form, be feminine. It is possible, is that? And sometimes it happens. Often it happens. But they are the running energy. They are not going to be seeking out much information.
The whole runner-chaser dynamic is for the masculine to master his or herself. That masculine, whoever's carrying the masculine energy, can be a male or female. It's just an energy, the masculine energy. It doesn't mean it's a specific gender. So whoever's carrying that energy has like huge healing opportunities when they notice they're triggered and want to run.
And this is because the energies of the combined soul is overwhelming for the divine masculine. So then they must run. They will run for the hills. They will run as far as they can. And they will keep running until the divine feminine begins to detach. So in this stage, many divine feminines have that obsessive chasing energy. They don't understand what's going on.
First of all, just remember how the energy plays out here, right? So we've got a feminine energy, which is the positive polarity and the push chasing energy. You've got the masculine energy, which is the pulling away, running energy, negative polarity. Now, in this connection, typically it's the feminine energy that leads this connection. Now remember, it's not gender here, so it's just energy we're playing out here. So the divine feminine energy is the one that's the more spiritually advanced twin. This is by design, and then the masculine is the matrix twin in 3D, logic, ego, mind. And the divine feminine is the one that's awake, very awake.
You and this other person are the same soul. You do share one soul, but the soul does polarize into 2, I guess you could say, metaphysical forms. Now, because of the polarization of energy, that's why your twin flame runs from you. That's the why. Okay? So simply put, in any energy system, energy always travels from positive to negative. You have been calling yourself divine feminine, and your twin flame, you've been referring to them as divine masculine, but it's really energy. It's not gender, okay? If you're watching, you're what everybody calls divine feminine, right? And I am too. My twin flame, who is a woman, is what you call divine masculine, but it's what you call it. And I'm calling on you today to stop using those labels. Those labels are not all bad, the feminine, masculine labels, but what they're really trying to do is point you at a deeper underlying teaching called duality or relativity, right? So delete gender. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Gender has absolutely nothing to do with this at all. Just pretend you never heard of gender. It's so for the energy, guys. It's energy. And again, what it is that I'm explaining to you is based on actual physical laws of the universe. So that's why there is this push-pull. You are more energetic. Your energy travels to the negative. Energy systems, as a rule, what makes positive positive is it is more. What makes negative negative is it is less. And that's why we have that naming convention, positive and negative. Like in all energy systems, energy flows from positive to negative.